So, hello guys, I'm Kola. I'm happy to have you on this platform. Today we'll be talking about target of an angle. Target of an angle. So, what do we mean by target of an angle? Actually, it's a way of working out the angles in a shape, and this thing, target of an angle, is when you have a triangle. It works most of the time with right angle triangle. So when you want to get a side in a right angle triangle and you are giving angles with another side, so you will be needing this one. So let's go into it so that you have a clearer understanding of what we are talking about. Now, target of an angle is when you get the opposite in the right angle triangle, when you use the opposite when you divide it with adjacent. That's what we mean by the target of an angle. So, for example, if you have a right angle triangle like this, okay, this is what we mean by right angle triangle, and a triangle that is containing this 90 degree. This thing, when you see a box in a triangle, a box, a side, an angle taking this type of form, it is 90 degree. It means 90 degree. So when you 90 degree, okay, and any triangle that contains 90 degree is called right angled triangle. I believe that is clear. In it, there are other things that you can note about it. We have what we call acute angle, and in acute angle, angles that is less than 90 degree, okay, angles less than 90 degree, that's what we call acute angle. Acute angle is an angle less than 90 degree. For example, any number less than 90 degree, maybe 35 degree, is an acute angle. Maybe 86 degree, an acute angle. So when you are talking about right angle triangle, it will contain 90 degree and acute angle. So let's say this one is 38 degree, okay, we are just assuming, let's say this one is 38 degree. So it means this is a right angle triangle. Now, having known that this is an acute angle, this also is an acute angle, because in 180 degree, because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree, definitely you will get an acute angle in this place. Having known that, don't forget, what makes triangle to be right angled is when it contains 90 degree. So with that, you can label the sides, okay, you can label the sides. In tangent, most of the time, you could be given angle apart from 90 degree. So there is name for each side. Any side that is facing the 90 degree, the box, that side is called hypotenuse. Okay, that side is called hypotenuse. I believe you get it. That side is called hypotenuse. Any side that is facing the 90 degree, the box, in a right angled triangle, they call it hypotenuse. Having known that, the side that is facing your acute angle, the one that is given, okay, you know this is an acute angle and this also is an acute angle, but the one that is the examiner has given you the value, Okay, whether giving or using something to represent it, they can use x here. Okay, any one given, any side that is facing it, they call it opposite. Okay, this one is opposite, while this one is hypotenuse. Okay, so having known the two, the third side in a right angle triangle is called adjacent. Okay, so take note that when you are trying to locate adjacent is the one that borders the hypotenuse in the given acute angle. Okay, so what I mean by that is that any side that forms the acute angle with hypotenuse, any side that forms acute angle with hypotenuse, that side is adjacent, while the one that is facing the side that is facing the acute angle, the side facing it, we call it opposite of the acute angle. The side that is facing 90 degree is hypotenuse, and they may not write it in full as you are having it. Okay, they can shorten all these ones. That's when you'll be having adjacent being written as ADJ in short form. Okay, hypotenuse as HYP. So they are just picking the first three letters. Okay, so when you see ADJ, it means adjacent. When you see hypotenuse, it means HYP. The HYP means hypotenuse. Then the third one, opposite. Of course, what's the first three letter there? It is OPP. So these are the short forms of the letters. I believe you have noted all those ones mentioned. Okay, so with that now, you are familiar with, you have known hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite in a right angle triangle. Don't say because this one you label it in triangle. No, not all triangle. We have other what do you call it? Other triangles. You know, we have different types of triangles. We have scalene, which the three sides are never equal. Okay, we have isosceles. Okay, two of the three sides are equal, and we have equilateral. Okay, equilateral like this. All the three sides are equal. So we are not talking about those ones. We are only talking about the right angle triangle. And what makes right angle triangle is just it contains one of the three angles is 90 degree. Exactly. Okay, thank you.